phone. How do you use your cell phone to create high quality videos? Guess what? The good news is your cell phone shoots in 4K just like the really expensive fancy DSL cameras. So all you need is your cell phone. There's a couple key factors when shooting videos. First of all, number one, do them often. Number two, make sure you've got a nice natural light in front of you. You don't ever want the light behind you because there'll be a glare and you won't be able to see yourself. You don't need fancy lights, but if you can just stand in front of a window, that's going to be great natural light and it will look perfect on your videos. Also, what you're going to want to do is make sure your background, this is a very intentional background, right? Don't have a lot of clutter, don't have a million things. If you are a dentist, maybe you've got like a nice cute little tooth and a toothbrush in the background that looks big and it's on your wall. If you're a realtor, maybe you've got a for sale sign, maybe a cute little house, right? If you are a divorced person, I'm not sure what you put back there, but obviously maybe something that has to do with divorce. You get my drift. Make sure there's no dirty underwear or a lot of clutter in the background and you are good to go. Another thing to think about when shooting videos is looking in the camera. Now right now, I'm looking at myself. Many people shoot videos and they look at themselves. You want to look directly into the eye of the camera and speak directly to your listeners. Now let's talk about how we should have the video exactly. How do we shoot it, right? Do we shoot it horizontal or do we shoot it vertical? Well, if you are doing any type of high-end video for an ad, let's just say, or you're doing a video that you're going to have, you're going to place somewhere on, maybe it's for your clients. You're going to want to shoot it horizontal this way, okay? If you're using TikTok or Instagram, that's going to be vertical. Facebook kind of differs. If you're doing an ad on Facebook, again, it's horizontal. But if you're doing a Facebook Live or just doing a quick video, vertical will be okay. But word of thumb is anytime you're doing any kind of video and it's going to be ran as an ad or it's high end, always do it horizontally. Also, when you're shooting your video, make sure your sound is clear. Make sure there's no big sirens in the background or trains going by. Just make sure that you don't hear the TVs or any kind of like a ringing. Sometimes when you create videos, you might hear like a buzz because it might be getting on your shirt or whatever. Just make sure the sound is very, very clear in videos because nothing is worse than people when they create videos and you can't hear them or it sounds nasty. Also, on your videos, make sure you always have captions. Did you know that 80% of videos are watched without sound? These are people that are at work and they're scrolling Facebook and watching videos when they should actually be working, so don't be one of those people, right? So make sure you always have captions. So we learned, make sure you create a really high quality video. You know, utilize a tripod if you can. If you cannot afford a tripod, then just stack some books up. When I first started doing video, I would just stack books up. I look directly at them. It always works well. Also, a selfie stick works really, really good. Make sure it has a stabilizer on it so you're not doing this. And those are our video tricks. Natural lighting, clear background, make sure the sound is okay. Always think horizontal anytime you have Facebook or any type of ads that are, high quality ads. Instagram and TikTok can be vertical, not a problem. And then make sure you've got a nice tripod to put your videos on and you are good to go. Don't overthink it, just do it. The biggest mistake that I see people doing with video is they are so afraid of what they look like or they sound like. Are they gonna make a mistake or is anyone gonna like them? Everyone feels that way. We're all worried about what we're gonna, I made mistakes in this video today. It's okay. Like right now I'm scratching my nose, it itches. You guys aren't gonna hate me. The point being is that video gives people a chance to get to know you. It gets them to be able to develop a relationship with you. You develop trust with them, okay? They become your friends. Video is one of the most powerful tools that you will ever use as a marketer. And here's the deal, everyone. You are a marketer. I don't care what business you're in. I don't care what profession you're in. Your job is to be a marketer first and a professional or an entrepreneur or a local pro after. Marketer first, local professional second. Why? Because if people do not know you, you cannot do a massive amount of business. When you create video content and you properly distribute that video content, what happens is that your videos are working for you while you're not working. It's views while you snooze. That video is helping you to win before you arrive. People like to work with people that they know. People like doing business with people that they trust and they're friends with. So, if you want to be more business, start creating video, get out of your head. Anything can be taught, anything can be learned, and at first you're not going to be good, but you will get better. Stop getting ready, stop aiming, it is time to fire, my friend. Record those videos, get yourself out there. I'm Krista Mashore, Krista Mashore Coaching, and if you'd like to learn how to utilize video and social media to as a local professional or an entrepreneur, I am the gal for you. Anyways, click somewhere on here and we will get you started. Krista Mashore, and I will see you soon. And be sure to subscribe to this so you get more valuable content, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye. Hey there, I have a brand new podcast called Fired Up with Krista Mashore, where I bring my high energy right to your ears. This podcast is available on all your favorite podcast platforms. So do me a favor, go subscribe and leave a review. All this information is free, and I cannot wait to teach you everything I know. Thanks so much for watching my video. You can learn more about how to be a successful real estate professional by watching other videos that I have. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, make it a great home selling and buying day.